Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be testing out and reviewing the MelodySusie PC100GR nail drill. Now this is MelodySusie's pocket nail drill, which literally does what it says on the tin. It is a pocket, it fits in your pocket. Great for cuticle care, nail prep and on the go or at home. So MelodySusie sent me this just before I moved house, so apologies Wendy that it's taken me so long to get this video up. So we're going to take a look at it now. So it comes in the usual MelodySusie box. It has there that it is the PC100GR nail drill series, and it came with the leaflet so that they do the flowy gel nail polish. So the plant-based ingredients, they're free from HEMA, HPMA and TPO. There's no 21 toxic substances, and it is smooth and has a glossy finish to it. So that's like the plant-based gels they do. So they have all types of gels, all their flowy colours, and then you have their top coats and base, builders, blooming gel, nail glue. You can get nail art brushes, you can get beginner sets from them, pro manicure sets. Now, I do have a few of their products already. I do have the cordless nail dust extractor, and I also have their lamp, which is this one here. I like to keep it in the box because it's special. I have this lamp, which is great. It's portable, rechargeable as well, also the dust collector. And I also have some other nail files which I absolutely love. I've got a lamp with the nail drill attached. So MelodySusie was founded in 2009, so they've got over a decade of history with nail supplies. They are a good brand, and I have never had any issues with their products. So we're going to take a look at, so the box is magnetic, this one here. Now they have sent me so that is what I have there now. So they have sent me the pink one. Now there is different colours. I'll just find that for you. There's different colours that you can get. They also are interchangeable, so you can have a different top to a different bottom if you own two of them. So you can mix and match with the colours. So you have Party Peach, which is the orange. Then we have Pleasing Pink, which is this one. We have Lemongrass, which is the yellow. We have Athen Blue, which is the darker blue, like the purpley blue there. We have Light Blue, and we have Grape Ice, which is the purple. So they come in a variety of colours, which is great. Now the drill, tell them how to practice. The drill is ultra compact, as you can see. I mean, it does fit in your pocket. It also detaches, so you can unscrew that part and you can plug in the charging port. So if, say, your battery had died, you'd plug in the wire, which is here, so that would go into there, and then you can still use it. If you do have the battery on, it says on the website that it has 4 to 6 hours use with an hour's fast charge, and then you just screw and unscrew that. It goes up to 20,000 RPMs. You can speed change, you can rotate from forward and reverse. You can also pause, and if I just press it on here, it does have an LED display there, so that P there is saying that it's paused. So it's shown on there, the display, and then if I unpause it, it's on 1, and you just press this button here with the plus sign to change your speed. Now, if I put that up to the highest speed, I think, which is 9, yes it is, so we'll go up to 9, you can hear a slight noise, but there is absolutely no vibration in that pen there. It's lovely to hold. It's light, it's very lightweight, so it is ideal, like I said earlier, for cuticle care. So it comes with these little bits which you could use to do your cuticles and just prepare your nails ready for anything that you're going to be doing on them. And we also get the charging cable. I'll just take these out of here. I'm just going to move these out of the way. So you do get your warranty information. So to avail the extended warranty, please follow these steps so you can extend your warranty. Now, if you order from their website, at the moment they have a promotion on. So on all of their products, if you use the promo code NAIL12, it'll get you 12% off their site. So you attach this part onto here, and it gives it the pen type. So you would use that if you were plugging in and using it with the USB. Now, to have the battery attachment on, obviously this needs to come off because it won't screw onto there. So you just apply that one if you're just using. So that's it locked there. So it's in place. So then you get this little pouch as well to store it in. So this should fit nicely. And it just slots in there like so. So it can fit in your handbag, fit in your pocket, in your back pocket. So it is fully transportable, which is ideal. So I haven't charged it yet, so I will let you know how long the battery lasts. They do say 4 to 6 hours use on the website with an hour's charge. So I was thinking, because I've not been able to do my nails for a long time due to moving and working, I'm not allowed nails for work, I'm going to apply this nail bit. So I think I just push it in. So this is just like a cuticle ball. Now if I take this glove off, excuse the state of my nails, they've snapped and everything, but I just wanted to show you how smooth, how easy it is to use, so I'm just going to put it on 2 and see what that does. So it's very lightweight, like I said. Now that is there, just removing. So 2, it's working perfectly on 2. I hate using those nippers, so I generally use a ball cuticle, because I'm frightened of them nippers though. I'm just going to nip all my skin, cut myself. So as you can see there, that is removing. I do have quite a lot, but you can hear there's hardly any noise. You can hear there's no noise, that makes sense. What I mean is it's not loud, it's vibrating on my nail, but it's not vibrating on my hand. It's smooth. I mean, I've got quite a lot of cuticle to remove there. So it does work. Now I will pop it up just one more, just to show you. So even there, now that feels like it's removing a bit more and a bit faster, but safely I'm going to move it down, go back down to 2, because I don't want to cause any damage to my natural nail. Should have been using my dust extractor really, shouldn't I? So as you can see there, I mean, I should have pushed my cuticles back to show you, but it's just gently taken off the skin around the cuticle. It feels like you've literally got nothing in your hand. It's great. Some of them can be quite weighty, especially if they're corded, because I have a drill where the cord is quite heavy, where this is just perfect. So if you were to chip a nail, or if you had a rough part of the nail that was catching whilst you were out anywhere, you could rectify it easily with this. So I'm just going to stop there, so I'm just going to pause it for now. But I would have no problem using that on my natural nail. So whilst we're on testing, let's see. So again, they just push and pull out. Now I have got, I'll just grab it. Right, so I do have this nail that I'd done previously. So it's got about 3 layers of colour gel. It has foils. It has I think it had a matte coat and a shiny top coat. So I'm going to pop this nail piece, this drill bit, sorry. Now I do have a lot of MelodySusie's drill bits as well. I think this may be one of them. So I'm going to pop that on. I'm going to turn it up to about 4, and we're going to see how this works. Now you can hear the vibration in that, and it's taken off the design there. Sounds a bit like a Dalek. Now I'm going to put it up to 6 here, because this is just a practice nail. Now I'm going to change, I'm just going to change that drill bit, because I do like these carbide ones. So let's see what this one does. And just pop it up to say 4. So it's removing the detail of the top coat. I'll take that off there. It's removing the top coat, and it's also removing the foil. I'm just going to pop that up a little bit more. So it's just to show you how light it is. So it's effortless. Obviously you need to adjust it. You don't want to be getting like heat spikes, so it depends. If you were to do it on your natural nail, you would use it at whatever was comfortable for you. And then you can speed it up. So we'll put on the highest one. So that's going to cut straight through both them layers of colour. Like I say, it's made short work of that. And there's about 4 layers of gel on. And it's gone right down to the tip. So it's a clear tip. I'm going to stop it there just so that noise isn't irritating, yeah? So there we've gone right down to the clear part of the tip. It is removing. It didn't stutter. It didn't get hot. There's no heat to that, and it is very, very compact. Like they say, you can. Now I should have used my dust extractor, shouldn't I? But here, I haven't. So I'm just going to clean that up a bit so we can. So again, we have multiple colours. You can use it 4 to 6 hours use with 1 hour fast charge. I will be testing that out. You get up to 20,000 RPMs. You can change the speed. You can rotate it forward and reverse. You can pause it. Now, MelodySusie have been going for a very long time, and I have found no faults with any of their products. So I hope you've enjoyed this short and sweet demonstration, and I hope you go out over and check out their website, go and pick your colour and get one ordered. Use nail 12. Again, I'll show you the colours. Use nail 12 to get 12% off across the website. I will have an affiliate link in my description, so if you click on that, it'll take you to their website, and I will also put the links to this specific drill if you're interested. So it was the PC100GR nail drill. So it's compact, perfect for on the go, lightweight, and it's just a good all-round product. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I love getting new subscribers, and also love hearing from my subscribers from who have been subscribed to my channel for a long time. But yeah, I hope you give this a go, and hopefully MelodySusie will ask me to work with them in the future. So thanks again, Wendy, for sending this, and I hope the demonstration and everything were to your satisfaction, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.